What's up, everyone? My guess is if you're watching this video, you want to learn how to launch your Dodge Challenger, Charger, whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead, excuse the little intro clip, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. All right, so the first step you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put it in sport. You don't have to, but if you want it to go quicker, so that way the transmission's more sporty, you're gonna want to do that. Then you're gonna want to go to the Super Track Pack, and it's gonna bring you to this little screen, right? You're gonna go hit launch control. Set your launch control. I'm just gonna set mine at 1500 RPM. Then you're gonna want to activate the launch. So once it says activated, you'll see up here. Then you're gonna want to put your left foot on the brake. Okay, so you're gonna want to put your left foot on the brake and push your right foot down, right? That's gonna have it sitting at the RPM you want. Then once you're ready to go, just let off the brake. And boom, you've now launched your car. Okay, so if you like that video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.